back to some more Deku Reacts. Today, we're looking at the actual final Zinnia tutorial that is on the Scratch team's channel before we have to switch over to Zinnia's channel. And that is how to use the backpack in Scratch, as if that needs to be taught to anyone ever. But apparently we do. We got Goofy Glasses Girl. We're watching this on stream with the bros. You already know how it goes. Let's hop right into this video. I'm pretty excited. Final Zinnia video of the Scratch team. I'm excited to see. What is the question? Do you use the backpack often? Oh, you already know we're going to be answering that. You already know we're going to be answering that. You already know it. Here we go. Ready? Let's go.
Hi everyone, it's Zoe from the Scratch team,
Hi Zoe!
Also known as Zinnia. Today I wanted to show you how to use a really helpful feature in Scratch.
What's the helpful feature, Zinnia? The
Now,
backpack.
What is the backpack?
I'm more of a satchel kind of guy. Is it a one-strap backpack so I can be a cool kid in the 8th grade?
The backpack lets you transport things from one Scratch project to another. So
I need to be transferring the built-in Scratch sprites from one project to another, because I can't just get the same thing in every Scratch project. Like, I can't just pull out the porcupine sprite in every single one. I can't just do that, right? Totally not. No, not at all. That'd be ridiculous.
if you have a character you want to use in multiple projects, the backpack is great for that. You can also
if you want to go to the worst platform you've ever seen in your life and steal the sprite and throw it into yours with no talent whatsoever, I want to show you exactly how to do it. Programming backpack? No, this is my coding satchel. Dude.
transport sounds, pieces of art, and also pieces
Oh my god, it was Zinnia's
projects.
little guy.
The backpack is great for that. You can also transport sounds, pieces of
It's Zinnia's little pet. Do you guys remember Zinnia's little pet from the pet tutorial? Bro, we're going. This is next level. This is some Matrix type Zinnia Scratch tutorial stuff, man. We're gonna be going into her. We're gonna go to her YouTube channel after this, and we're gonna be seeing some Zinnia Scratch Cinematic Universe stuff going on right now, where this little idiot is your dad.
of art, and also pieces of code. I'll show you how to use it. So, say you want to transport a sprite from one project.
How do I do it, Zinnia?
Let's say I'm making this new ocean project, and in this other project I made, I have this rainbow star sprite, and I want to put that.
Rainbow Star Sprite. Guys, you know what that's from? That's from the trail tutorial. We've seen this. Oh my goodness.
In the ocean project. I can transport it with the backpack. The backpack lives down here.
Zinnia, stop the project first, please, for the love of God, lady. Come on. Come on.
And I can click on it to open it up, then click and drag the star into the backpack. It'll appear there. And then go back to my ocean project. I can click to open up the back.
Zinnia, you didn't show them that you have to refresh the page for it to go into the backpack. You're going to confuse so many kids. You're going to confuse so many children by not telling me to refresh your page. You know,
Back
whatever.
in there, and then I can click and drag the star into the sprite area here, and there you go. Now I have the star in my ocean project. You can
Crazy.
also transport.
Zinnia, might I say, you're sitting at your computer, but you're sitting in a wooden chair. You're telling me that's not the most uncomfortable thing you've ever seen in your whole life? How long do you think she sits on that wooden chair every day? Hours? That must get rough. You're telling me you're not getting bank from the Scratch team money, Zinnia? You don't have to refresh the page? You don't? I thought you did.
A sound. So say I have a sound in this project.
Zinnia probably pissed her pants when she saw that project. She probably died laughing. More to support the point that she's either 26 or 47. And I can't figure it out.
I can go to the sounds
Bro, you just said I bet she has hemorrhoids. Do you even know what hemorrhoids is?
tab. There's the sound. I can click to open up the backpack and then drag the sound into it.
Why are you showing us again, Zinnia? It's going to be the same thing each time.
Go back to my ocean project, open the backpack, and drag the sound, and the sprite that my mouse is over is the sprite that it'll go to. And I think I want to give it to Giga. So
That's
I
an
drop it on
interesting way to
Giga,
give it sounds.
and then go to the sounds tab. And there.
Okay. I love her face. Look at this. Look at how when she's playing the sound, just look at how dumbfounded she looks. Watch
it'll
this.
Go to. And I think I want to give it to
Hold up, Zinnia, is your webcam low? It is. I'm going 1080p right now.
Giga.
Look at this.
So I drop it
Watch
on
this, watch
Giga
this.
and then go to the sounds tab.
Here it is. She looks so dumbfounded. Oh, I love it.
There it is. You can also transport just one piece of code. So say I have this project with a frog that jumps, and I don't want the frog.
Zinnia, this is some complex griff patch level coding right here. I'm gonna be honest with you, girl. Come on now. What is this? What is this? Why are we adding everything to Ocean Adventure?
But I just want to give this piece of jump code to this character, Giga. I can open up the backpack, click and drag this piece of code right in.
Why is Giga jumping underwater? Isn't that just swimming?
There. As you see, it shows up as a script, and I can then
wow,
go back to my
I got
Ocean
eyes,
project,
Zinnia, I know.
Open the backpack, and then just click and drag this code to this code area. And now, Giga can jump. You can also...
You hear how loud she slapped her... See how loud she slapped the space key? Look, listen real close.
Code to this code area. And now, Giga can jump.
So loud. Zinnia, you're going to break your poor
code area. And
space key. Jeez, calm it down,
Zinnia. You can also
Zinnia.
transport just one costume of a certain sprite.
One costume,
So say
Zinnia.
I have this other project, and I don't want to take the whole Giga sprite over, but I do want this costume where Giga has a nice hat. What I can do is
nice
go to
hat.
the costumes tab,
Zinnia, it doesn't
open up
even
the backpack,
fit Giga's head.
and I can click and drag that in there. As you see, it appears as a costume and
Costume.
not a sprite like the star did.
Zinnia, that's
I can
crazy.
then
That's
go
crazy,
back
girl.
to my Ocean project. I can open the backpack in here. Whatever sprite I drag it to will get the costume, just like with the sound. And I want
Yeah,
it to go to
just
Giga,
like the
so I'll
sound.
drag it to Giga, and
Yeah.
now Giga has a hat. You can also
Now
transport
Giga
the
has a
backdrop.
hat,
so if I
guys.
wanted this blue sky
Can you
backdrop,
believe
I
it?
could go to the stage.
How are we gonna take the backdrop,
to the
Zinnia?
backdrops tab.
Zinnia, surely, since you're showing me how to do the backdrop, surely it's not just clicking and dragging it, right? Surely it's something like way more like interesting and unique, right? Totally, you're not just gonna drag it in and then you're not just gonna drag it into the backpack and then drag it out of the backpack. You're not just gonna do that again, right? You're not just wasting my time right now, Zinnia, right? Right? Totally, yeah, right.
Open up the backpack. Put this backdrop inside.
Zinnia.
Go back to my Ocean project.
Zinnia.
Open up the backpack.
Zinnia.
And dragged this backdrop to
Zinnia.
here.
Why is this
Also
tutorial
use the
4
backpack
minutes
to
long,
transport
Zinnia?
things from other people's projects. When you do this, it becomes really important
Zinnia is just teaching us how to steal.
to give credit, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's say someone has made a project with this spinning pufferfish, and I'd like to use the pufferfish in my project. I can click See Inside on their project.
Bro, she's
open up the backpack,
literally teaching
click
us how to
and
steal.
drag the pufferfish in.
We
open
should-
up
we
the
just
backpack
stole
in
it.
my project. Drag the pufferfish into this area, and there it is. Now, to give credit, I can click See Project Page, and I can edit the notes and credits of my project and say, thanks,
Zinnia.
Zoetrope, for the pufferfish. I got it
Zinnia.
from this project. And I will copy the link by right-clicking and clicking copy.
Zinnia.
You can also do Command-C on a Mac or
That's a
Control-C on
terrible
PC,
credit, Zinnia.
And then paste it here by right-clicking and clicking paste.
Zinnia, just put an @ sign. Just put an @ sign before the name, and you have a proper credit. Just put an @ sign right before it, Zinnia, so it's a hyperlink and you can click it. Come on now.
And there you go. Now you've given credit. The ability to read.
So it's nice that she actually showed how to give credit. She did it in a little bit of a weird way, but it's nice that she showed it. The only problem is, Zinnia, nobody's gonna do it just because you told them to. So now you just showed people an easy way to steal. Zinnia.
Mix and to build on the things other people have made has been a really important part of Scratch since it started. I think it's part of what's so wonderful about having an online community is that you can build on other people's creations.
Don't say you can't build on other people's creations. Saying build on other people's creations is a nice way of saying, here's how you can steal some other people's stuff. That's what it really is.
Just is really important to give credit when you do and to make sure you change something or add something to it to make your project unique from theirs. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you today. The backpack can be so useful. It can be great for collaborating. It's great
I don't use it
if
often.
you have a logo or a
You know
character
what I
that you
use the
want to use in
backpack
a lot of your
for?
projects. So I hope
I
you have
use
fun
the
trying it out.
backpack to get
Anyway,
my
I'll
save
see you
code,
next time.
so I don't have to
And scratch
reprogram
on.
saving and loading each time. Yes, thank you, Zinnia. Wow. Do you use the backpack often? Always using. It's a good feature. No, not often. Same. No. Ew. I'm actually allergic to backpacks. cries in Danish. Boom. Alright, I'll leave the episode here. Thank you all so much for watching the final episode of Deku Reacts on the Scratch team. We'll be moving to Zinnia's account. Zinnia has a YouTube channel where she posts tutorials pretty regularly. I don't know how good they're going to be, but we're going to find out in the next episode next week on Sunday. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like it, like it, I know it's because all that good stuff. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy my content that I made a lot. But thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.
Cause I ain't seen no